Hello everyone, this is Dr. Wei Hangzhu from Industrial Engineering. I want to show you this video to tell you how to use this engineering economics career app to help yourself to learn this subject. We designed this game to simulate the career of a professional engineer. So here's the description. And we have a setting where you can set your username and email, and once you finish the setting editing, you can save it, and you can also try to email the developer and the instructor about your progress of your study. Will tell us how many points that you have earned and how many problems you have solved in your virtual career. And you can also share with your social networks such as Facebook about us, and so this is our contact information, and you can try to tell us what you have accomplished, or you have what questions and comments you may have. So here's the game, but before I talk about game, I want to show you the tools, a few tools. So here is the calculator, and these are all the common equations that you may use in your assignment or in your problems, and you will find out they are very useful. And also here are the tables, compound interest tables, and you will also find out they are very commonly used in your engineering economics assignment or problem solutions. And this one is an ebook. Now from ebook you can do a lot of things. For example, you can work on your study of the concepts, key concepts, but one useful feature here is a video lecture. So these video lectures were recorded by Dr. Marquez on different subjects. These videos have been uploaded to the video servers, and you can watch the video from the internet. Okay, you should be able to hear something about the talk. The sound is very low, but you probably can adjust your own volume to hear it. And also, apart from that, there is a link to the Khan Academy. Khan Academy is a popular set of videos that you can find in the YouTube about engineering economics. So for example, the first one is actually from a YouTube content that we provide the link here, and you can certainly play it. Now the sound of this is higher, okay, so you can hear some music.
Whenever we talk about money.
Okay, so let's go back to the game. So here's the play. So you can see that there are 5 game stages: intern, engineer, senior engineer, head engineer, and the chief operation officer. You have to finish all the problems at the level of intern in order to be promoted to be engineer, although you can actually work on any problems in any level as you want, but you need to finish all the lower level in order to be promoted to the higher level. Okay, so for example, the first one, let's click into it. We'll find out this is actually a very simple problems in algebra. So basically, but this is very common operations, and it asks you what is the equivalent equation to the expression to this, and you can check it. If it's correct, it will say it's correct. Otherwise, it will tell you it's wrong. Okay, so I check correct. And you can also work on some calculation problems. Okay, so for this calculation problem is pretty easy, and I'm sure you can try to solve it. And if you are not sure, you can check out the solution procedures. Now note that these numbers will change every time you try this problem. Okay, each time you get into it, the problem will be changed. So let me go back and then get into it again. You will find out these numbers are changed. Okay, and accordingly the solution are changed. And the links are provided to the calculators, to the tables, to help yourself to solve the problems. Okay, so if you solve a problem, it will show that it's a check mark to tell you that it has been done and you have solved it at least once before. Okay, if it has never been solved before, you will see an arrow here. That means you need to work on it. Okay, go back and you can check your progress. Now here's your progress, and you can check out the beginner. You can find out you are currently at the beginner level because you only have 26 points. Try to earn more points, and you should get a screenshot of this page and send it to Dr. Marquez or any instructor you have about your result. You can also organize the exam. You can define 4 exams, and you can, for example, this to define the first exam. First exam I only set 2 problems. You can load the default. The default is what Dr. Marquez have set in the past. I will just save. Once you finish your definition, you save it, you go back, and then you work on your problem, and you will tell you that you have 2 problems, and of course you should probably select more than 2, but I just want to demonstrate to you how this works. So next, and this is going to be, you see that looks familiar because this is something that we have just tried. So next, it will not tell you whether true or false or correct or wrong, because this is exam, right? So you only know the result at the end. And it will tell me that, okay, my score is 1 out of 21 because the calculation problem has more weights. It got 20 points, and the conceptual problem only has 1 point, so I only earned 1 point out of 21. So that's my test score, and of course you should earn more than this. And once you can utilize 4 exams, just pre-waste it and get yourself familiar. And this library will provide all the conceptual questions and practice problems for yourself. Okay, you can open it and you will see that these are actually all the questions that we have in our test base. Okay, pre-waste it, and all the activities that you have will earn you points. Okay, the more time you spend on each problem, even if you work on the same problem several times, you will earn points as long as you get it correct each time you get into it, and you will see your progress here. So you can actually get a screenshot of these and then send it to your instructor, and you can tell us your progress to see that, and we can see that, or you can email us. Okay, use this button. That's it. Good luck in your study of engineering economics, and let us know if you have any feedback, and here's our contact information. Thank you.